So we are done with security as well. Alhamdulillah, everything went really smooth. Oh my god, it feels like deja vu because I was just here 3 days back, I guess, or maybe 4 days at this Costa, and I was ordering the same stuff. Guys, we have landed at Hong Kong International Airport. Hey everyone, Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my channel. So I'm at Delhi airport right now and I'm off to Hong Kong for a vacation, and I have come to airport now, as you can see from the background, and I'll be meeting my husband directly at the airport because we both were very busy, so we couldn't come together. He's coming directly from his work, so yeah, I'm gonna be seeing him in few minutes. He already reached, so I'm just gonna go and see him now. Wow, it is super duper crowded here at the airport, as you can see, and it's what? It's almost 8 now, 8 in the evening, and it is so crowded. My god, doesn't matter what time of what hour you leave, it's always crowded. Oh my god, I don't know. Thanks.
You got the sandwiches, right?
Yeah, I do have. Since we are healthy people, that's why we do not eat anything from outside. Of course, we have to balance it out somewhere. So healthy chicken sandwich made by Chef Safina, and of course regular Coke. Where's the Diet Coke, baby? So I'm done with immigration. I'm waiting for my husband. He is at immigration, and then we'll be going for security. You can see behind me, it is literally very crowded, but thankfully it's it's 8:30. So this time of hour is pretty good if you compare to midnight. So we are done with security as well. Alhamdulillah, everything went really smooth, and this is our first time traveling with Cathay Pacific, and I must say, how did you like the service?
I haven't seen so far.
But it starts from check-in.
Check-in was good.
It was pretty seamless, and let's see how the flight experience will be. Now I'm feeling hot. Yeah. Hey, Ted Baker. Oh my god, I'm coming to Delhi airport. I mean, like, this international terminal after ages. I don't remember this. You must be remembering because you travel like. Now I'll remove my. Yeah. Diwali, baby. Oh, one color. Now we are looking for Costa. So now we are looking for Costa or Starbucks, whatever we get first. No, we didn't see. I'm like, I didn't see. Did you see? So now we desperately need some coffee. Yes, I do have. I'm actually, whatever you need. I'm the most convenient person at the airport because I got everything in my bag. That's why I love carrying my big bags, because they are super convenient. They accommodate everything, like literally everything, from your hand cream to perfume to your spray to your mist to your charger to your AirPods, whatever you name it, and there. So yes, that's why I love my big bags. There is Costa. I want coffee with whipped cream. What do you want? For me, that's not a problem. मैं कहीं भी कभी भी सो सकती हूँ.
Small. अच्छा.
For me, it's small.
Latte में with caramel.
Caramel latte, yeah, with whipped cream. Oh my god, it feels like deja vu
Just
because
give me your password.
I was just here 3 days back, I guess, or maybe 4 days at this
You can
Costa, and I was ordering the same stuff. Then you can take it out. So yes, should be inside. Yeah.
Okay.
Did you find it?
Airport pass se, do you have any discount or
I
anything?
never use my airport discount. I never use my facilities. Wow. This is stupid. Yes, I'm stupid. Dumb of me. I've been wasting a lot of my money. My
Airport
husband's money. Yeah, because drinking and eating at the airport without using my airport pass. Far. I'm waiting for my caramel latte with my whipped cream. And my caramel latte with whipped cream is here. I just love it. Where is it? Oh, it's coming. Thank you. How beautiful this looks. Yummy. Coffee. How's your coffee? How's the coffee? Of course, because I need to show what's happening. How's your coffee? No, I'm having my. I'll tell you the other side of the story. So the other side of the coin is I'm having coffee from Costa Coffee with caramel latte with extra whipped cream, and it's amazing. I just love it. See? So the boarding has started. Now we are proceeding towards the aircraft. Let me arrange my charger. There you go, baby. Charger for you. This is touch screen. I love the aircraft. It's so neat, so clean, so well lit. Actually, it reminds me of Qatar Airways. Exactly same to same. I hope my mic is on. Is it on? Is the green light blinking? Steady? Talking about this green light. Is this steady? Otherwise, I'll not be audible. You'll not be able to hear me. So yeah, I'm loving the aircraft. So neat, so clean. And look at the camera. This only we get to see in 350, but in Cathay, this is installed even 777, which is very good. And it's very good. I'm just waiting for the food, but I'm sure the food must be amazing. Can't wait. What else? Yeah, I like the blanket.
Hello, everybody. Welcome aboard.
They've given the plastic. So nice. And look at the headphones.
Service to Hong Kong.
Good quality.
I'll be your captain for a safe
Nice.
flight. Joining me on the flight deck.
Guys, we have landed at Hong Kong International Airport, and you can see like there's no भीड़. कितना सुकून है यहाँ पे देखो आप. Just look at it. It's 6:17 in the morning. Just look at it. This is exactly what I was talking about. हमारे इंडिया में बहुत भीड़ है. Yeah, so I slept. I watched movie. I ate, and after that I slept nicely. So my flight 1, I think, Terminal 1. So the flight was lovely. Yes, one second, can you wait? I'm talking. Yeah, my husband, sometimes he gets on my nerves. Yeah. Because he's the one who I have to go with. Oh wow, see, there's no one behind. This is what exactly I was talking about. That there's no bheed here. It's so peaceful. काम बहुत आसानी से हो जाता है इधर. Which I really like. And look at the MTR. I told you, Terminal 1. How can check? Okay. How was your flight?
Until now, it was very good because camera was off.
Wow. Of course, I need to update my lovely subscribers. My subs are waiting. Talk about. Ah? Oh my God! Look, I can dance in this train. That's Ishq Shava, like Katrina from Jab Tak Hai Jaan. This is exactly what I was talking about. It's so nice. I like it. Now we are going for breakfast. Yeah, I think. Oh, wow. Hmm. What a beautiful setup. So our bakery item is here. Where's the butter, baby? I need some butter.
This is ketchup.
Yeah. Thank you. Look at this spread. Awesome. Is it mine? No, I want steak. So we checked in and we were so hungry. So we came to have our breakfast straight away. इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ें ली थी and breakfast is amazing. So this washing machine is so yummy. How's it feel? Loving it?